Hello everyone. Today I will solve the question number 393 and the question type is medium, and the question is they will give us vector integer and we need to return boolean true or false after checking whether it is a valid UTF-8 encoding or not. So first we need to know what is UTF-8 encoding. So the first rule is for 1 byte encoding, first bit should be 0 and followed by its Unicode code. So for the 1 byte we need to check only first bit whether it is 0 or not, and for the n bytes, it means other than 1 byte, we need to check first n bits whether it is 1 or not. Like here in 3, first 3 bit is 1, right? Yeah. And after that n plus 1th bit is 0, n plus 1 bit is 0, that is 4th bit is 0, and followed by n minus 1 bytes. N minus 1 is 2 for n is equal to 3, right? So 2 bytes 1 2, these 2 bytes should be start from 1 0. The most significant 2 bits should be 1 0. So for n bytes, first n bits should be 1, after that n plus 1th bit should be 0, and after that total n minus 1 bytes sequence like this should start from 1 0. So we need to check whether this condition is fulfilled by our input or not. So in example 1, that is 197 130 and 1. 197 in binary is 11000010, right? And 130 is 1 4 times 5 times 0 10. Like here, that is it is 1 in binary. So here in this 197, first 2 bit is 1, right? And the third bit is 0. So it is this first condition of the 2 bytes, right? But we need to check whether it has n minus 1, that is 1 bytes starting from 1 0 or not. Like here, starting from 1 0. Yes, it has starting from 1 0, this one. So it is 2 bytes encoding, and for it is 1 bytes encoding because it is starting from 0. So we have 2 bytes after 1 bytes encoding. So it is true, it is valid encoding. Here in this example 235 140 and 4. 235 in binary is this one, 140 is this one, and 4 is this one. Now it has 3 1 in the start, right? After that it is 0. So it is sign of 3 bytes encoding, right? Now we need to check n minus 1, that is 2. N minus 1, that is 2. Whether it has 2 sequence or code which is starting from 1 0 or not. Yes, it has 1, but it does not have another encoding or code which is starting from 1 0. So we need to return false. So it is not 3 bytes encoding. It's 1 bytes encoding, but it's not 3 bytes. So we need to return false. So our solution would be comprised of many things, but the first thing we will traverse on each integers and we will check how many bytes encoding is there. Like first we will go on 235 and we will check its binary. How we will check its binary? We will do right shift. After doing right shift, like in this example 111 01011, after doing 4 right shift, it will be 110. All these 4 digits bit integer will be removed, right? After doing 4 right shift, this value will be after 4 right shift. So we can check whether it is 3 bytes or 2 bytes or 1 bytes. Like here in this example, after doing 4 bytes, we can check it is 1000. So we will do right shift and we will check whether it is 2 bytes or 3 bytes. And after that, if it is 3 bytes, let's assume we will get it is 3 bytes and it will be 3. So uh, we will run a loop for 2 times n minus 1, that is 2 times, to check whether after that whether all these two codes are starting from 1 or 10 or not. So let's see the code. First we will traverse on each value, and in the start we will initialize check with 0, because here we are not going to check, we do not have any previous codes. We will start from the 0. And after that we also know, when we do right shift like n5, it is equal to n by 2 to the power 5, right? So we are doing this only. It is 2 to the power 5, it is 2 to the power 4. So we are doing right shift here, and we are checking whether it is 110 or not, like 110 0 0 0 0. After doing 5 right shift, we will get 110. If it is 110, it means it is 2 bytes, right? 2 bytes encoding. So we need to check n minus 1, that is 1 codes, whether it is starting from 10 or not, whether it start from 10 or not. Like similarly in this code, after doing 4 right shift, or you can say 3 right shift here in this example, we will check whether it is 3 bytes or not. If it is 3 bytes, we will check next 2 codes whether it start from 10 or not. Here it is the code of checking whether it starts from 10 or not. After doing 6 right shift, we will left with 2-bit integer only, and we will check whether it is 10 or not. If it is 10, then it's fine. If it is not 10, we will return false. So let's see the code again. Run the code. Okay, thank you.